Welcome to Brodie Tries New Things. Brodie tries new things. Whoa, Brodie tries new things. YouTube channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Welcome to Brodie Tries New Things. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, welcome back to Brodie Tries New Things. This is Brodie, and today I am taking the dogs for a walk up to the bus stop with the kids, just to get the little one, Zeus, just a little bit more used to being around traffic and sort of people. I have been taking them down the street, which is dogs and people, but not so much cars. I tried to get close to the cars the other day, and I found that he was quite scared of cars. He is quite scared of a lot of things. He's quite anxious. I'm not sure if he got beaten as a pup or something traumatic's happened, but he is scared of absolutely everything. I have been working on it, and he has got a ton better. Like, he is so much better with everything, but he isn't perfect yet. So we're gonna try a few different things. One of which is going to be the CBD oil treats, so that'll hopefully calm him a little bit, and we can build his confidence up. So for today, I'm just sitting him up at the bus stop. There's lots of kids around, lots of noise, buses, cars. We're just sitting away from the road and just getting used to the noise, and then just taking a walk. And on that walk, we're going to get barked at a few times, and just getting used to that. I'm back to doing voiceovers. I'm sorry, my recordings just haven't been working through the GoPro. You can either just hear me breathing, and that's it, or you can hear basically, other than my breathing, mumbled voice. So I'm going to go back to voiceovers. Hopefully that's okay. You can see here now, I'm just up with the kids, just having a chat with them, showing them sort of about buses leaving. I didn't video all the kids, obviously. I didn't want to video other people's kids. So bus is about to leave, and we're going to be off on our walk. So as I was saying with the microphone, I'm going to try a wide different microphone. Try turning one of them off on the GoPro, because it does have a back and front microphone, see if that makes a difference. I should probably just get my nose fixed so I can actually breathe properly. That'd be even better, but hey, this is the predicament I'm in. So, as I was saying in the last video, if you could hear it, I have brought a new computer. Thanks to everyone that helped out with that. It's been a journey. I ended up getting a gaming computer from Harvey Norman. It is 64 gigabyte of RAM, got a 16 gigabyte graphics card, got lots of flashy lights, all that sort of crap. So it's got enough RAM so I can finally edit videos at 4K. So you will see a lot more 4K video. If you're watching on a phone or on YouTube in general, I think you have to change the setting to watch it in 4K. Otherwise, it'll just show it in crappy resolution, like under 1080p, and it'll be blurry, and you'll think, shit, what's he videoing this on a potato? I'm not videoing it on a potato, I'm videoing it on the GoPro in 4K, sometimes 5.3K, but no one uses the 5.3K, so there's not much point actually videoing it in that. Plus, I can't edit it in Elements, so I am using Adobe Premiere Elements to edit at the moment, which so far has been okay. You'll see it on here. I had a dog barking at me, but there's no point showing you guys because my dogs didn't bark back. They've been great. They really are behaving well. So I'll just give you a bit more of an update of what's happening with Brodie Tries New Things while we're walking around. We'll have some music playing in the background. It is all my original music. Please go listen to a song, like it, share it with a friend, get it around. It's starting to grow. It's getting bigger. I've started writing songs for another couple of albums. I won't obviously release them probably for a couple more months. Maybe wait till next year, which is a couple of months anyway, because I don't know what month it is anymore. I'm getting behind. But yeah, so this is just sort of a blocky that I used to do with Athena to get her used to getting barked at by dogs, and just get used to walking and being around the road and stuff. So we got barked at here again, but you find that with the dogs, I'm so used to how Athena was, and I forget sometimes that Zeus is another dog, and he's going to react differently to everything, and that he's sort of got his own ways about him, and that he is quite anxious. So We haven't had a thunderstorm yet. That's going to be the biggest test. See how he goes with a thunderstorm. When we first got him, if he heard a siren, he would howl and go crazy. He's now at the point where he'll come and just sit on my lap. I sort of told him it's okay. Come sit with me. I don't want to snuggle him. I don't want to baby him, but at the same time, there's no that it is okay to come sit with me. As vacuum's going, he'll come hide under my feet while I'm here at the computer. Everything, all my videos and stuff like that. I was going to encourage him not to hide too much because he has been hiding under the stairs a lot. Every time he thinks he's going in the car, he'll go hide on the stairs because he gets quite car sick. I don't know if that's where the anxiety started, whether something happened in the car, or I don't really know. I just worry that he's quite anxious, so he'll grow out of it. We're just going to give confidence and keep training him up and show him everything's okay, and he'll get there. He's come a long way since we got him already, so I've had him for, this will be my 4th week having him, so I did miss out on the crucial period at the start of getting him used to all this sort of stuff. So it's sort of, I don't know what he has and has been around. I know he was on a farm, so obviously there's a lot less cars and commotion out there. And he was with a heap of other dogs, so he would have been the bottom tier, not the top dog. So with Athena, they're pretty well on bath and it just babies him and runs him around and licks the shit out of him. So that's that. Fire extinguisher in a bottle. I know I've mentioned this 100 bloody times. I am doing it. I will film it this weekend, I promise. I will get it out there. It will come. I apologise that it has taken me so long. The Brodie tries new things element of Brodie tries new things has been lacking. I do know that, but I haven't had any suggestions on what to do. Plus, most of my views are on either, well, most of it's on the music, and second is my vlogs. So the actual reviews, one has a heap, but that's because I posted it on Temu. But other than that, the reviews haven't really had a watch, and I do need practice actually formulating my reviews, like getting the words out. Maybe practice doing it a couple times before I actually video it. I'm not sure. I like to be as genuine as possible. I'm an Aussie bloke and I do things in this Aussie way, so I'm very what's the word for it? Fat-fingered on this sort of stuff. I don't think that's the right way to put it, but anyway, that's it. So I'm finding it better and easier to talk to things. In public, it's more awkward talking to a camera, but I don't mind doing these voiceovers so much. What else have I got news on? That's about it, really. So I'll let you listen to a bit more music, and then I'll start talking again in a second. Okay, so coming up here in just a little bit, we'll be going past a little school, and there's about 3 or 4 dogs in there that they go crazy. They bark and bark and bark at us the whole way as we walk through. I may put the sound on just for that part so you can hear that part. I just walk along with the dogs and just keep calming them and just let them know that everything's going to be okay. So yeah, that's sort of that part of it. I'm just going to pause my voiceover and I'll let you guys listen to that bit. Good boy. Hey, shut up. Hey, shut up, bro. Shut up, bro. Hey, shut up, bro. It's okay. It's okay. They're barking at you, aren't they? They're barking at us. Hey? They're barking at us. Hey? Say, what's your problem? You're barking at us. Hey? Say, why are you barking at me? I'm just a puppy. I'm just a pup. And it's my birthday. It's your birthday. One puppy, one birthday. There's another example for you. My dog's not barking back at silly dogs. Good boy, good girl. Good doggies. Who's good doggies? Who's good doggies? Lucy and Athena, hey? Okay, so as you can see, quite hectic, the amount of barking, they're just barking, they're just protecting their property. Yeah, it's a good test, it's a good way to teach dogs. I like walking up and down there with the dogs. It really helped me with Athena to stop barking at things. You can't see them, but you can hear them. Because if she could see them, she was a little bit more inclined to bark, but she eventually got used to it. So we're just going to walk up here. We're pretty well. Got another probably 5 minutes to go, so I'll just take a little minute to sort of explain where I want to head with this YouTube channel. So for me, I'm not sure, I don't know what anyone else thinks, but I'm not sure if I should split it up and have one just for music and one just for the vlogs and reviews. Please let me know if you have an opinion on that, and let me know sort of what music you want to hear more of. I have recently changed the names for them, so I've given each sort of genre its own identity. So the country music is just under my name, and for the other two I'd done Tormented Wraith for the metal band and DJ Dunkin Deeznuts for the techno stuff. So that just kind of separates them a little bit, because if it's all just Brodie tries new things, it does get very confusing. Yeah, I'm hoping to do a bit more content, hopefully with riding the motorbikes and stuff like that, and getting out and doing things now that it's summer. Maybe do a bit of fishing. I'll try and do sort of vlogs and that sort of stuff. I'm not sure if you'd rather just have sound or if you'd rather me do the voiceovers. I enjoy doing the voiceovers, but I also enjoy just getting my music out there and showing people sort of what I did and letting them listen to the music and just guess it themselves. They can just assume that I'm saying whatever I'm saying and do it that way. But yeah, so that's sort of how I'm going with things. Looking to Christmas, that's going to be a joy. Probably won't do a whole lot of filming over that time. I do have, my partner's going to have a couple of days off next week, so that'll help me have a bit of one-on-one time with each dog. It does get difficult trying to walk them both together at the same time. Trying to teach Zeus things, but I've also got to keep Athena going. She's pretty self-sufficient, but it does help me to just sort of, you know, have them apart a little bit, you know. But Zeus is copying her a lot, good and bad habits. So we're going to try to limit some of them bad habits and try to teach them the right way. I will be doing more food stuff as well. I do all the cooking in the house, so I might start videoing some of that as well. Just me throwing together things. I do love making a Greek salad, or Greek pasta salad I should say. So I'll video doing that. Just a few little things that I've picked up over my time. It's all sort of dad food. It's none of it's real special food. I think of myself as a saucier more than a chef. I do love mixing different things together to make different tastes. You'll soon see that my cooking is it's probably terrible, but I think it's great, and everyone eats it. Maybe that's because they don't want to cook, I don't know, but they eat it. So I think I'm doing the right thing. Anyway, around the house, there's not a whole lot to report. I haven't brought any new shoes this year so far. I'm holding off. I probably will have a big buy up next year. Tattoo wise, I'm starting to plan my other leg. So my left leg is all Japanese tattoos. You will see my koi fish. I have the Tibetan skull, and then at the top of my leg there's a dragon. On my right leg, I'm going to do Simpsons on the bottom half of my leg, and on the top half I'm going to do Rick and Morty. So I've got a little bit of a plan there. I'll show you that later. But I've been going to Cousin Tattoo Studio in Batemans Bay. Got a mate that works there, and the guy that owns the shop, Hoku, has been doing a lot of the work for me. He's going to be doing the Simpsons tattoos. Yeah, get in there and support them as well. Also, my best mate Ben, his son Joe, is also a tattooist in town, so please support him as well. And yeah, thank you very much, and I'm going to give these dogs some water and enjoy. Thank you for tuning in again to Brodie Tries New Things. Please like and subscribe, and please comment. Just let me know. It's little things. I don't care if it's negative, positive. I just need to know what you want to see. Cheers, guys. Is it a good walk?